Hi fam, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanna teach you the pattern of Irish Crochet Lace applique. This video is dedicated to you flash. Let's go. Start the slip knot and chain as many as you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, and when you insert your hook into the fourth chain, then make a double crochet. Make a double crochet in each stitch. Make a double crochet in each stitch. Make a double crochet. At the end of the row, chain 1, then make a reverse single crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 to make a reverse single crochet. Make a reverse single crochet in each stitch. At the end, make a slip stitch, insert chain. Chain 1, then make a back post, single crochet in first stitch, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, then make a back post, single crochet in next stitch, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, then make a back post, single crochet in next stitch, chain 3, and repeat. Skip 1 stitch, then make a back post, single crochet in next stitch, chain 3, and repeat. Skip 1 stitch, then make a back post, single crochet in next stitch, and chain 3. Make a back post, single crochet, chain 1, turn your work, make a single crochet from back, make a single crochet from back 5 times, twice, 3 times, 4, and 5. Make a single crochet from back once, twice, 3 times, 4, and 5 times, and repeat. Make 5 single crochets from back. Keep repeating. At the end, chain 1, turn your work, Make a single crochet in first stitch, make a half double crochet in next stitch, make 2 double crochets in next stitch, make a half double crochet in next stitch, make a single crochet in next stitch, and repeat again. Make a single crochet, make a half double crochet, make 2 double crochets in same stitch, make a half double crochet, and make a single crochet. Keep going. At the end of the row, chain 1, then make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch, and make a slip stitch in first stitch, chain 1, then make a single crochet in each stitch, make a single crochet, make a single crochet, make a single crochet in each stitch, make a single crochet, make a single crochet, make a single crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Make a single crochet, make a single crochet, at the end chain 1, then make a slip stitch in next chain, make a slip stitch, 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 chain 1, cut the yarn off. Thanks for watching. Your support means everything to us. Hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos.